We've all been there. That moment when your phone rings at the most inconvenient time. You're right in the middle of something important, maybe a crucial work task or a personal project. Or perhaps dinner is burning in the oven, and you're rushing to save it. Your favorite show just started, and you've been looking forward to it all day. Suddenly, the phone rings. You answer, hoping it's something important, maybe a call from a loved one or an urgent update. But no, it's just another telemarketer trying to sell you life insurance. Ugh, the worst! These calls always seem to come at the worst possible times, don't they? They interrupt your day and leave you feeling frustrated and annoyed. We get it. Nobody enjoys being pressured about such a personal decision, especially by a stranger over the phone. It's enough to make you want to throw your phone out the window. But wait, there's more to consider. Life insurance is important, we all know that. It's about protecting our loved ones and securing our future. But the way it's often sold, not so much. The aggressive tactics can be a real turnoff. There has to be a better way, right? Well, there is. Stay tuned to find out how you can make a more informed and stress-free decision. At Levon Life and Legacy, we believe you should be in control of your life insurance decisions. That's why we've made managing your policy easier than ever. No more annoying calls, no more pressure, just a simple scan of a QR code and you're in the driver's seat. That's right. Scan the code and you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips. Want to update your beneficiaries? No problem. Need to change your payment method? Easy peasy. You can even review your policy documents all at your own pace. We know that life insurance can seem confusing. With so many options and terms to understand, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we're here to break it down for you in a way that makes sense. Our goal is to simplify the process and help you make an informed decision. There are two main types of life insurance: term life and whole life. Each has its own unique benefits and is suited for different needs. Term life insurance is like renting coverage for a specific period, like 10 or 20 years. It's designed to provide financial protection during those crucial years. It's a great option if you need coverage for a set amount of time, like while you're paying off a mortgage or your kids are young. This way, you can ensure your loved ones are protected during these important phases. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, is like owning a home. It's a long-term commitment that offers stability and peace of mind. It provides lifelong coverage and builds cash value over time. This means that not only are you covered for life, but you also accumulate savings that can be used for various financial needs. This can be a good choice if you want permanent protection and a savings component. It's ideal for those looking to secure their financial future and leave a legacy. Not sure which type is right for you? That's okay. It's normal to have questions and uncertainties when making such an important decision. You can give us a call, and one of our friendly team members would be happy to answer any questions you might have. We're here to support you every step of the way, ensuring you find the best coverage for your unique situation. We believe that getting life insurance should be as painless as possible. It's a crucial step in securing your future, and it shouldn't be a hassle. That's why we've made the entire process simple, easy, and stress-free. From the moment you start, you'll find that everything is designed with your convenience in mind. No more high-pressure sales tactics or confusing jargon. We've eliminated the stress and confusion that often comes with buying life insurance. Just straightforward information and a commitment to helping you find the right coverage for your needs. Our advisors are here to guide you every step of the way. Imagine this. You're relaxing on your couch, sipping your favorite beverage, and scrolling through your phone. It's that easy to get started. You see our QR code and decide to check it out. With just a quick scan, you're on your way to discovering more. A few taps later, you're browsing our website, learning about your options, and even getting a quote. It's all at your fingertips. All of this without ever having to talk to a pushy salesperson. You're in control of the entire process. That's the Levon Life and Legacy difference. We prioritize your comfort and understanding. We're all about making life insurance easy and accessible for everyone. Join us and experience the difference today. Are you tired of those pesky telemarketing calls? Ready to take control of your life insurance and experience a whole new level of ease and convenience? Then scan our QR code today and join the Levon Life and Legacy family. We're here to help you protect what matters most without the hassle. Because life is complicated enough, getting life insurance shouldn't be. Levon Life and Legacy, 754-268-2351. We are a team of dedicated insurance professionals committed to providing our clients with personalized service and peace of mind. We understand that everyone's needs are unique, and we take the time to listen to our clients and understand their goals before recommending any products. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you protect your loved ones and secure your financial future.